a lot of what you guys are going to do is figuring out what you don't want. The difference between someone that does very well and someone that takes ages is indecision. And I saw this in Sopranos yesterday. I was watching Sopranos. Anybody know that TV show? Sopranos is it's a TV about a family, mafia, all that kind of stuff. Anyway, Tony Soprano, he says to one of the other dudes who's trying to make a decision on some sort of hit, I don't know what it was. He says, the wrong decision is better than indecision. And this is kind of generally the mentality I follow with everything in my personal life and with my clients as well. Right? Your clients just need to make a decision. They're worried it's going to be wrong. But the more wrong decisions you make, the closer you'll get to the right one. So a lot of you are going to go through that process of, should I do this? Should I do that? It doesn't matter what you do. It really doesn't. It just matters that you take action. The only thing that you need to consider is how far down the door, how far inside of the door you walk in. If you walk too far in the door, there's no coming back. I worked with a guy. He spent $50,000. No. Forget him. There's another dude. He spent $250,000, $400,000 on a piece of tech he was building. He realized it wasn't what he wanted to do and he pulled out. Imagine that kind of decision. And some of your clients can't even make a $6,000 decision. It's a disgrace. That's how you should be thinking about what's happening in your business and your sales process. You should be thinking, I'm trying to help this guy, but I'm trying to help him make a mistake. I used to walk people in the door and be like, now that you've walked in the door, I've changed your life. You don't even have to go through the program anymore. So this guy that did that, by the way, he made that $400,000 mistake. He still makes millions every month. But he makes millions because he knows how to make mistakes. So to answer your question, totality is just whatever comes in front of you, focus on one thing at a time. That's for sure. Until you're smart enough, you're capable enough, and you have the time where you can do maybe two, maximum two. Even right now for me, because I do this executive coaching and I do the sales training with it, makes me good money. But even me, I know that I'm stretching myself because I'm leading a different team. And so what I'm trying to do right now is fuse my offer with the team, with the same company, because I know overall it's better for me. You have to leave your ego behind the door, guys. You have to think about what you make the most. Most millionaires in the world are salespeople, and they work for somebody else. I don't know if you know this. It's not CEOs or executives. I used to make and still make more than a lot of the guys I used to train, and they run the fucking company. Imagine that. My paychecks were bigger, and I'm just selling shit. It's easy. You guys, I've said this multiple times before I answer this. Your questions. Sales is an easy job. Be happy. Because you do not have to worry about the money to spend on ads, the creativity, the content. All of this stuff is very, very stressful. Your client success. All you have to do is pick up the phone, make a dial, take a meeting, talk to somebody about the opportunity, have a great energy, feel good about yourself, and do the deal. That's all you have to do. Super simple. And if you have to take something at midnight when you're in your bed, do it.